I'm Lisa Lillian, also known as Hungry Girl, here with Hungry Mom, and we are trying things today. This video is specifically about Trader Joe's Jicama wraps. Do you know what jicama is, Mom?
No.
Have you ever had a salad and there was something that sort of was the texture of either like an apple or a potato, but it didn't really have a lot of flavor?
And I probably didn't know what I was eating.
Right, it's jicama. So they have taken jicama and turned it into like a wrap, so you could use it instead of a tortilla or like a taco shell. So they're only 7.5 calories each for this. So they've taken the jicama and they've sliced it really thin, so you could use it as like a sandwich wrap. Isn't that clever?
Right.
Yeah.
You could put anything in it.
Anything. Tuna salad, chicken salad.
Jelly beans.
I wouldn't put jelly beans in there.
Oh, it's cold. Yeah. It's wet and cold.
It is wet and cold, like a dog's nose. All right.
She's funny.
All right, let's try it. See if you like it, because
just...
this would be a very low carb solution. You can just take a bite of it. Ooh.
That's interesting.
Refreshing.
It tastes like solid water.
It does taste like solid water. That's a really good description. Imagine having that with tuna salad. Wouldn't that be great?
So it has the flavor of lettuce?
A little bit. Would you make a sandwich out of it? Like if I made you little wraps with like chicken salad?
Oh, with mayonnaise would be delicious.
And you watch your carbs, so this is a good option instead of bread, right? Rate it from 1 to 10.
I'll give this an 8.
Good.
It's wet, juicy, and refreshing.
I give it a 10. Good job, Trader Joe's. We love your jicama wraps. We're gonna eat these later.
Amazing.
Bye. Psst. Make sure you follow me for more taste tests with Hungry Mom.